Katrina Kaif and Ranbir Kapoor are all set to create magic this year on the screen in Rajkumar Santoshi's Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani. The cast of the film came together to talk about this huge entertainer. The Ranbir and Katrina starrer is all set to hit big screens this year. Here is the first look of the film.
Well, excitement, nervousness, anxiousness, a lot of love, lot of sadness that the film is over now, and everything. It's just the normal emotions every actor goes through before release of the film.
It's very different to all of the comedies I've done before. Whether you see A Singer's King or Welcome, it's got this mad kind of wacky world that you go into when you go for 2 hours, and hopefully you're going to laugh and you're going to cry and you're going to leave with a smile on your face.
Well, the Ajab and Gazab thing about this film is the film's
Gazab.
That also the everything. The script of the film, Rajkumar Santoshi as the director, Katrina and my first time pairing, the kind of hard work we brought into this film, the comedy, the dialogues, the songs. I think everything is Ajab and Gazab, but we just hope it's Ajab and not Gazab.
Don't we hope it's Gazab and not Ajab?
Well, it's I mean Ajab in a nice way and Gazab in a bad way.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't think these characters we relate as actors. At least I don't relate to Prem as an actor, because it's Rajkumar Santoshi has totally made this character from scratch. It's not somebody who I've met in my life. It's not somebody who I've even seen. But I would love to become him, because he's such a character with so much of goodness, so much of positivity that you like him.
I don't know if I relate to her personality or to her behavior, because as Ranbir said, Raji has a very unique style of the performance he wants from his actors, and in this it's very, very animated. It's very a little bit like it's like louder than life, So maybe not that, but I think in the way that every girl wants a happy ending and wants to find that perfect man, I think like that every girl can relate to that. I've been one of the most blessed people that the fans and the people who come to see my movies always have really come and really supported me as being like a nice kind of normal person who they can kind of take home. So thank you.